perfect on Poplar. This quality 2004 brick veneer home is beautifully presented and has a lovely flowing floor plan. Step inside and be greeted by the stylish entrance foyer, which leads into the main lounge area, all flowing through to dining, kitchen and family room with sliding glass doors. Featuring double glazed windows, an alarm system, heat pump and solar hot water, this home has much to offer, including 3 bedrooms, the master with an extra large ensuite. A spacious outdoor space provides undercover entertaining. A double garage with internal access and all situated on a beautifully landscaped big block with no rear neighbours. A great house in a great location. Call to inspect.
Hi, thanks for watching. Please call me, Ananda, if you'd like any further information or if you'd like to make an appointment to view this or any other Bushby property. Thanks, talk soon.